Hey folks, JD here, and after almost a 2-month wait I have got my new batteries. So I was so excited to receive this new Hubsan drone. Thank you GearBest again for doing that for me. And when it arrived I was so excited, I really wanted to take it out. I took it out and it was awful. And the battery life, not the quadcopter itself, just the battery. God, the battery was awful. So I think a 4-minute flight, and that's being generous, before the battery just totally died and the quadcopter didn't return to home. It just turned itself off and fell from the sky. So I thought I wanted to really test this. I wanted to prove myself wrong. I wanted to show that this was a good copter. When I get an idea in my head, I have to run with it. So what I did is I bought 2 new batteries. Now these batteries are genuine Hubsan accessories. I don't recommend that you go for any third-party accessories. I will only buy the correct accessories for the quadcopters. So let's have a little look. If I take out this battery from here, oh, it's quite a little bit fiddly because there's a little catch. There we go. So here we go. Oh, these are slightly different. Correct voltage, correct milliamp hour. But these batteries, these one in packets, look to be a little bit more updated. So let's just open one because they're both exactly the same. Oh, there we go. So what I'll do is, let me throw that rubbish in the bin. So this is the new battery here, and this is the old battery. As you can see, it's slightly different. Ever so slightly. Okay, cosmetically you can see the red X4 and the new yellow X4 is slightly different. Around the other side, that looks the same, and they've both got Hubsan written on that side, on the top side as well. And the connections are the same? Yeah, exactly the same. Okay, perfect. So the red one, what I'm going to do now is to try and help me remember which one is old and which one is new, because in about a week's time I'll probably forget. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bag up this old battery inside here. I'm also, on this little bit of paper that I've got here as well, I'm going to write old and then 4 mins. So actually less than 4 mins. So that way then, what I'm going to do then is just fold this up. And I'm just going to put this in the bag. And then that bag is, oh, that's going to remind me that that particular battery is the old battery, which lasts for less than a 4-minute flight. And then that battery is going to go in my spare LiPo battery safe, like that. And I'm going to keep that safe to one side. So I now know that inside here I'm going to actually do what I've done to the other battery safes. I've got X4 battery old, less than 4 mins. So what I do is I put them in a battery safe and I just write there Hubsan X4 battery old, less than 4 minutes. And that way I know that when I look inside here in a couple of months, I won't be going, what the hell is that doing in there? What is that? I now know that that is the old Hubsan battery, which gives me a flight time of less than 4 minutes, and I will dispose of that correctly and properly. So there we go. So let's just try. Let's put the new battery inside here. Oh, that's quite nice. Now let's turn this guy on. Have we got any charge inside this? Oh, we do! We do. We have very little charge, but we have a little bit of charge, and that is perfect. So let's turn you off. There we go, you're off. And the next course of action is to charge this battery and then take this bad boy back out for a flight, and hopefully he's going to prove me wrong. I want to be proved wrong. I want this guy to have a good battery life. I have seen a couple of other reviews on this where people have said the battery life isn't as good, but come on guys, it's got to be better than 4 minutes, right? So hopefully I'm going to be proved wrong. This is going to be better, and I'm going to feel a bit more relaxed, because this guy is giving me a lot of anxiety. So there we are, folks. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.